Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back today with another glider launch. My friends, let's get cracking. Alright, so this glider is a little different. One of my students and I were talking about building an airfoil, where we actually use the Glowforge to cut out the frame and then attach it together. This is Carson's wing that he made, and I decided that was too large. So I went back into Tinkercad and I created one that actually gets smaller on the way out. And then I did a 3-body frame so I could glue that in. And then I let it sit last night with the wings a little bit tipped up so that it could have a little bit of a dihedral angle for when we launch it. So without any further ado, let's attach it to the launcher. I am worried about these wings, so I don't know how many launches we're gonna get. But let's see what the first one does. Little loss of stability and then ouch, landing on that wing. I also removed a tiny bit of clay. Let's angle it up a little more and see what we can get. Doesn't appear to be stable. It flipped right over. Upon collecting the glider, we blew a wing, and that is probably what wrecked the stability, was that lost its support and then came apart. Alrighty, friends, so first test of the airfoil. Kind of successful. I do see I've got ways I can work with this. I need to work on a better system for holding the two wings together. Maybe it needs to be one piece from the get-go, some support going across. Currently, my only supports are this way with one piece coming through the inside. So I'm going to keep working on different choices. That's what I think is going to be so fun about this, is kids, just like me, they're going to try something, come up with what they learned, and then move on to the next test as they keep making bigger and better airplanes. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Happy flying.